convencimiento de un cuerpo vacío. De una cabeza plana. Lo más lejos de sentir. No hay parálisis. Existe un avanzar firmemente hacia la nada. Un avanzar hacia la nada.
Different sounds coming from different places and lasting, producing a sculpture which is sonorous and which remains. People expect listening to be more than listening.
La intención es dejar la quemadura intacta, reacomodarse al caos. El horizonte busca una pared donde apoyarse.
When I talk about music, it finally comes to people's minds that I'm talking about sound that doesn't mean anything. That is not inner, but it's just outward. And they say that these people who understand that language, that you mean it's just sounds, thinking that for something to just be a sound is to be useless. Whereas I love sound.
Existe un avanzar firmemente hacia la nada. Un avanzar hacia la nada.